Hi everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got another Galaxy 98 VHP to do a tune-up report today. This one is for William in Pennsylvania. Bill asked us to put in a rebanding. We rebanded it to 10 meters and 11. See, this is usually over here when you see me do these. So now it's over there, which gives us more room on the top end for all of 10 meters. That's pretty much the top end. And then it goes all the way down to below CB. Perfect. That's the way it should have been done. Okay. Also did a receiver improvement mod, an amplifier turn-off switch, and a top gun modulator. We'll see all of that here in a moment. Alright, amplifier turn-off switch is off, starting at our lowest power, which is going to be just under 1. If I scroll it all the way up, about 3.5. Peak power. Audio. Check. Audio. That's a 50 slug, so we'll get at 40 watts right there. Alright. Sideband on this stage here. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 32. Okay, so now I can turn the amp switch on, take this out, put in my 500 slug, put this over to 10 watts per division, so 100 watts over here. Okay, so back over here, 100 watt scale, starting with power all the way down, we're at 10, all the way up is about 50. That's for the top gun modulators, the reason I have that range there. And over here, the peak power, 200, 300 right here. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. All right. So that's the amp switch. You see the top gun modulator. Let me turn the power way down. I'll turn that switch off. Over here, audio. Check. Audio. Let's go here. Can't get it in between here. Audio. Check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when I throw the switch, audio, check, goes off the scale. See the peak reading there? Audio, check. Audio. So we're going from 10 watts to swinging all the way over to almost 300. And you don't see that telltale bright line down the middle for overmod. Audio, check. Audio. Cleans it up for you, so you can get away with that. All right. I don't think we tried sideband on high power yet. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. All right. Let's take a look on here. Hey, Breaker 19 for radio check. I think I heard somebody out there just now. One more time. Radio check on 19. Check.
3140, copy your radio check.
10-4, dirty white boy. Appreciate the radio check. You have a fine one.